Stress is an inevitable part of life. It can come from news, work, finances, family issues, and the relationship. But if a stress is not managed properly, it can lead to anxiety, which can negatively affect our mental health and physical well-being. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you effective techniques that can help you to manage stress and find peace. So before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into detail. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. As I said in the introduction, in this video, I'll be sharing with you effective techniques that can help you to manage stress. One effective technique to manage stress is mindfulness. Mindfulness is involved in the fully focusing on the things and the feeling without judging. It helps us to find out the stress triggers and take a right action to cure it completely. Another technique to manage stress is meditation. This is involved in the focusing on a specific object or mantra by letting go of any kind of things that make you stressed. This helps us to find out the problems that make us stressed and depressed. It improves our mental health and overall health more than your expectation. The technique number 3 that can help us to manage stress is yoga. Yoga is an effective way that can help us to manage stress within a short period of time. We'll be doing some physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. This helps us to reduce the tensions and the feelings that make us stressed, and it improves our overall health. The next is deep breathing techniques. Deep breathing techniques involve in taking down a slow breathing and focusing on the sensation of the feeling in our body. It helps to reduce the tension and improve our overall health more than your expectation. So that is why you shall be doing a deep breathing if you are stressed. The last techniques on our list that can help you to manage stress is doing some physical activities like walking, jogging, bicycling, swimming, running, and so on. So why physical activity is so important? When we engage into physical activity, our body releases certain chemicals which is called endorphin. And this endorphin, it boosts our mood and it will naturally make us to feel happy. So that is why you should be doing a physical activity if you are stressed. So by incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, it can effectively help you to manage stress within a short period of time. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your family and friends. Then click subscribe button for more educative and informative videos. See you in the next video.